Hello, this is Dieter for sitemanager.com and welcome back to our tutorial videos. From the previous videos, I have removed our custom CSS, JavaScript and animation and just added the tile code as it was in the beginning. As you can see, when I hover over the tile in the CMS application, I cannot edit it because the variables for the picture, the title, the buttons and the text has not been set yet. And this is what we're going to discuss in this video, how we're going to create a structure for the CMS application where people will be able to edit the components, like you can do, for example, with this title component. When you click the edit button, you get a form where you can set the header and the text. So we go to the developer, click page components, and here we have our tile component, and we always click here to the edit code where you can see our code, our placeholder code that you've seen in the CMS application. If we want to add variables, we have to build a structure for this component. So we click edit component. In this component, we can add a new element that will be able to be edited. We can, for example, now we're going to create a tile. You can choose between single item or item list. Single item means that the element will be used once. If item list is selected, you'll be able to add multiples of the tile elements. So we're gonna use single item for now, but we're gonna change it to item list later to show you what the difference is. You can also pick between normal and setup. Setup is for components that are used only once and will be edited, used for every other addition of the component onto the page. But for now, we're going to use normal throughout this demo. So we click add item. And as you can see, now a tile item has been added to the page component. If we go back to the page components and go to the structure of the code, you'll see that the single item tile code has a separate section where you can add your code. So if we would change it, we would close the row here and copy paste the dummy code or the placeholder code from our tile here. Right now, you cannot edit anything because we didn't add any variables. The way that works is we click the tile and now we click on the item that we added. And now you can add different input fields that the webmaster will be able to edit when he uses the component. I'm going to make separate videos for each and every input field. So it's quick to look up afterwards. So see you in the next movie and thank you for watching.